Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. The absolutely wonderful part of having duvet covers is you can easily swap them out with every season. This beautiful cotton duvet cover and pillowcases from DREAMINGO lets you do that so that you're completely ready for beautiful sunshine weather. The style of this duvet cover is absolutely adorable. It has muted strawberries all over it, and the color of the cover itself is an ivory color. It's completely made out of cotton, making it feel so warm yet cool and comfortable. I'm really impressed by the quality and workmanship of this product as well. The covers for the pillows are an envelope style. They fit perfectly over my king size pillow inserts. And the duvet itself has ties inside so that you can keep that duvet insert in place, because how many times have you fought with that and ended up with half of it on one side in the morning? It also has a zipper close, which is a really nice feature because the duvet stays completely inside, and again, you don't have to worry about it moving around or of it coming out of the cover itself. I really am in love with how bright and fresh and cheery that this cover is. You can see the threading is well done and it stays in place on our bed every night. It just provides the perfect change that I was looking for when it comes to a seasonal change in my bedding. If you're looking for one that's well made and really bright and cheery with beautiful colors on it, check it out. You will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.